Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use tag combat in 7 Deadly Sins Origin. So first, tag combat basically lets you switch between characters during battle. Instead of using just one fighter, you have a full team, and you can swap them in any time. On mobile, you just tap their icon, and on PC or console, you can use the assign buttons to switch instantly. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you switch characters at the right time, you can trigger what's called a tag skill. This is a special attack that happens as your new character jumps in. To activate it, you need to build up tag points, which you get by attacking enemies. And if you switch without enough tag points, your character will still swap in, but you won't get that extra attack, so timing really matters here. A good strategy is to switch when your current character skills are on cooldown, or when you need to avoid incoming damage. You can also use tag skills to keep your combos going and maintain pressure on enemies. And a quick tip, if you notice an enemy is about to use a strong attack, switching at the right moment can interrupt them or help you dodge, which is super useful in tougher fights. And basically, that's it. Tag combat is all about smart switching, building tag points, and training your team together to stay in control of the battle. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!